Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem at hand. We have a situation where we want to convert a list into a data frame row-wise, but sometimes the elements in the list are empty, like the properties element. This causes issues when using bind_rows, because it ends up excluding those rows with empty elements, which is not ideal. Now, onto the solution that can help us with this problem. When we examine the inner workings of vctrs, data_frame, we discovered that it creates an empty data frame when any element has a length of 0. This explains why bind_rows fails to include rows with empty elements in our list. The alternative solution is to utilize vctrs, vec_rbind, which handles the empty elements appropriately and gives us the desired output by retaining all rows, regardless of empty elements. To elaborate further on the fix provided by using vctrs, vec_rbind, x, we're able to successfully convert the list into a data frame without losing any rows, even if some elements are empty. This approach ensures that the integrity of our data is maintained and all information is properly captured in the resulting data frame. In summary, by understanding how vctrs, data_frame handles empty elements and leveraging vctrs, vec_rbind, we were able to overcome the issue of losing rows with empty elements in the list when converting it into a data frame. It's a neat workaround that ensures our data is accurately represented in the final output. So, give it a try and say goodbye to missing rows in your data frames. Remember to like, subscribe, and share some more love in the comments. See you next time!